Hey everyone, it's Samantha, and I'm going to show you how I cut apart my clients' hair extensions. So as I remove my clients' wefts, most of my clients actually wear 1 or 2 rows. So as you can see right now, we are cutting apart the top row. And when the wefts are removed, everything is still stuck together. And usually on one row, I could have anywhere from 3 to 5 wefts. So with our little baby scissors, we will finally cut just the stitching along the top of the wefts. You want to be careful not to snag anything, cut hair, or that can cause any damage to the wefts. So we will slowly pull the wefts apart, and as I pull the wefts apart, I want to make sure each weft is labeled correctly so that way it can be placed exactly back in my client's head where it originally was. So I will have a clip on the right side for right top and one on the left for the left top. And so those are my corner pieces. And then obviously what is in the middle will just be clipped all together. And this one is labeled top because I want to make sure I know it's for the top row. And here is my bottom row. So we have my corners, left bottom and right bottom. And now onto the bottom row. So you can see we're using the baby scissors and just cutting only the stitching along the very top of the wefts. So just got to be very careful and very clean and aware of what you're cutting so there aren't any snags or cutting any of the weft itself. What's nice with these wefts, these are the hybrid wefts, so it does have a silicone root which keeps it a little bit sturdier than the traditional hand-tied wefts, which can tend to get a little I don't want to say clumpy, but they can expand and contract very easily, which makes it more difficult to cut. But as the bottom row is pulled apart, you can see I label the corners, right bottom and left bottom. There we go. And then a clip goes onto the center section for the bottom. And there you have it. That's how I cut apart my extension. Ready to boost your profits behind the chair? Visit awealthyhairstylist.com today.